Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the Earpads, headband and battery on Marshall Major 3, 4 and 5. I'll also give you tips on replacing the speakers and the cable that connects both ear cups. These parts are interchangeable across all models starting from Major 3 with minor differences. The links to all spare parts in the video description. Let's start with the Earpads. Technically, they're all interchangeable, but slightly differ in shape and softness. Also, the Earpads on Major 4 have a cool new feature. See this groove? It allows air to escape when you put on the headphones or when the speakers pump out hard bassy sound. This means you can wear the headphones comfortably for a longer time without discomfort. So for Major 3, I highly recommend using Major 4 Earpads, which are softer and more comfortable. To replace the Earpad, simply grab its base where the plastic frame is located and twist it counterclockwise. Put a new one on with the seam facing down and twist it clockwise. Same process for the other side. If you want to replace the headband, you have two options. The first option requires removing one ear cup and desoldering this cable. If you can't do that, you can use a headband like this with a zipper. Of course, it won't look as nice as the original one, but it's still much better than the old peeling off headband. Plus, this replacement will last forever. You can even remove it and wash it. But let's do it the right way. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a simple soldering kit, which costs about $10 delivered. I recommend removing the right ear cup, but since I'm also gonna replace the battery, I'll remove the left one. Simply remove the screws and open the ear cup. Next, detach the battery and the small PCB. Then remove the bracket that holds the control knob. Then you need to desolder all 10 wires coming from this cable. Major 4 has only 5 wires. The cable is now free and we can pull it out from the ear cup. If you want to remove the right ear cup, it's even simpler. Just desolder the wires coming from this cable and pull it out. Next, we need to punch out this pin in this direction. Place this part on something with a hole and very gently punch out the pin. Now we can remove the pin and the ear cup. Then simply pull away the headband. This is also how you can replace this cable, which often gets damaged in this area. To install a new headband, first we need to thread this cable through it, which can be a bit tricky. You can use a piece of firm wire or something like this antenna. Now carefully insert this frame into the headband. Finally, let's reassemble the headphones in reverse order. Here's how we solder the wires on the left ear cup. And this is how you do it on the right one. So let's talk about the battery replacement. All major models have a battery like this with 3 wires. Simply desolder the old battery, then solder in a new one, making sure not to reverse the polarity. You can apply new adhesive tape, but it's not necessary. Then put the battery back into its place. Major 4 and 5 have a battery connector, which makes it super easy to replace the battery. So in your case, the speakers have distorted sound, simply pry them out, then install new ones, and apply adhesive around the edges. For the final touch, specifically for the Major 3, you can clean these brass parts with vinegar to make them shine. And now these headphones look brand new again.